Mm, Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Hey everyone, welcome to Async API community meeting. Let's give a few seconds to let everyone join in. I think I'm also gonna drop a message on Slack and remind people that we have a community meeting. All right, where is my Slack? Hey Maya. Hey Maya.
Hi, Tilly. Good morning.
Morning. How are you doing?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good, thank you. I thought I was gonna be alone today.
No, no. Yeah, not.
Thanks for joining in. I'm just gonna give 4 or 5 minutes to see if anybody else will join in.
Hello.
Hey Fran. How
How you doing? Long
are
time.
you doing?
Trying to come back to work.
I know. How was vacation?
Yeah, short and long at the same time. I don't know. It's weird.
I hope you had a good one though.
Yeah. It was short because it was good.
All right, I will give a few more minutes to see if more people join. And I think I need to make a correction on YouTube. I don't know why it's saying Spec 3 Docs meeting instead of community meeting.
Yeah, I just saw on Twitter. On Twitter it says docs, spec free docs. Yeah. Anyway, maybe we can change it later after the live stream. Not on
Yeah,
Twitter, but yeah.
Okay, while we are at it, let me quickly check what we have on the agenda. Okay. All right. Well, I think we have waited enough. I think we can start. So on the agenda, we only have one item. Oh, before that, hello everyone. Welcome again to Async API community meeting, which is held twice a month, once every 2 weeks. And today I'm your host, Tulip. So you usually see Ace and Lucas, but they're enjoying their vacation. So I'm on my own. I'm flying solo with Fran and Maya today. So thank you so much for joining us. Whether you're going to watch it later in the day or you're watching live with us on YouTube. So today on the agenda, we only have one item that has been listed here. So currently the mentorship program, the Async API mentees for docs are currently running a discussion. They are calling for votes to document popular protocol processes to accomplish with Async API. So they are requesting the community to participate in suggesting topics that they could document with Async API. For instance, we have WebSockets, we have Kafka, we have AMQP. So if you have any interesting topics that you would like to see being documented on the mentorship program, please drop in a comment and suggest what topics would you like to see. I will share the link on YouTube and on the chat as well. Please, let's all participate. It's for the community. It will benefit everybody. So please join into the discussion. It will help. It will go far as in helping the community docs in documenting the popular protocols that you would love to see being documented, being on the Async API docs website. Yes. Maya, do you have anything to add on the agenda before we move on?
No, I don't.
Okay. Cool. All right. The next thing on my item is conference. Yes, Async API conference tool. So I do have some few updates on that. So the first update that I have is yes, we are going to India. We're going, Async API conference tool will be in Bengaluru in India on the 30th of November. So we're still busy curating the CFP form. So you can start now by crafting your proposals. Once the website is up and running, you can quickly send in through your talks proposals. So make sure you start now, research on the topics that you love to present. So what kind of talks do we expect for ACOT? So the talks that we expect is something that is inspiring for the community, because I do get a lot of questions like, okay, Tuli, what kind of talks do you expect like for an Async API conference? So basically it's something that is related to Async API and its community. Be it a project that you have done that you love to showcase, please do submit your proposal. Is it something that you have been inspired in the Async API community? We love testimonies. We love to hear success stories. Make sure to come and submit your proposals. Do you have like something that we could improve? Did you have like a tooling that you'd like to share? Did you integrate a tool with Async API? Those are the kind of talks that we will love to hear from you. So if you have anything that is for the Async API community that will benefit the community, please make sure to submit a proposal. So once everybody's back on vacation, definitely the proposals for Bangalore, India will be open. All right. Any questions so far? Maya, Frank? I know you just came back. All right. Cool. Okay. All right, the next one we have Async API Conference to London. So the speakers have been selected, have been informed. So later this week, you'll get to see a glimpse of the speakers, what will be on the agenda, what kind of talks we'll be speaking. So make sure to tune in on our socials to see who are the speakers, what are they talking about, and also make sure to buy your tickets. Please, 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 you don't want to miss out on this day. We got a jam-packed schedule. I'm so excited because it was so difficult. I know our community members had a difficult time selecting talks because they were so good. We received a very good proposals from community members, and the selection was very difficult. So make sure to buy your tickets on Open Collective. If you like to buy for somebody on the community, make sure you support community members. Please make sure you support us as well. The funds that are collected from the tickets will go directly to SWAGs. It will reimburse the SWAGs cost by the community. It's not requested by IBM, a disclaimer. This is strictly by us. The money goes strictly to the SWAGs. So it's not requested by IBM. It's not a fee imposed by IBM, but us as Async API community. So be sure to stay glued on the socials to see the speakers and any more announcements that will come up for the conference. Anything else? That's the things that we have on the agenda, actually. Maya, Fran, anything to add?
Not much. Just want to say that I'll be in London and Madrid for now. So far, I'm thinking if I will be able to travel to India. I'm now thinking about it because having a kid is not making it easier. But yeah, I'll try. So yeah, will be cool to meet there. And
all right.
yeah, maybe will be worth clarifying why we're asking for the money. I mean, I know you said that it's for the it's going to be invested in the swag, but some people might not have the context that I think, for the reason we did it, because we were discussing this on the, like, initially it was free, right? So why we changed that?
Okay.
It's an idea.
So the reason why we imposed a fee was also to encourage like participation. Most people, they tend like to say, okay, we're coming, they purchase tickets, then they don't show up. And also that's one thing. And also we had a discussion like to see it's a minimum fee that, okay, in as much as we are putting the conferences out and we're encouraging participation, we'll also like community members to also enjoy the day and have swags as well. So this is why we had this discussion to say, okay, let's impose a fee to encourage participation, and all the costs is not going to the community, but it's going to the swags. I hope that clarifies it. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. I think it's worth mentioning also. We do have sponsorship opportunities because we have like a tour, Async API conference on tour, and so many community members would love to travel as well in different locations, but they are restricted to travel costs. So we open up sponsorship slots, sponsorship tiers, whereby if you want to sponsor, we have 3 sponsorship tiers. We have our platinum, our gold, and our silver tier. So if you love to sponsor Async API conference as a whole, we do have event sponsors, but we also now have like overall sponsors if you're interested in sponsoring. So majority of the funds will go towards to the event marketing, and also to fund travel funding. This will be used like to fund community members who are interested in traveling to Async API conference on tour, but they are not able to because of fund restrictions. So if you are very much keen in participating in this, please make sure to send me a Slack message, or you can DM us, or you can also view on our Open Collective page. Most details are there as well. So just get in touch with me, then I'll explain everything else. So please, 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 please. There's so many community members who love to travel, and your sponsorship will go a long way in this. So please make sure to get in touch with me if you're interested. Any more additions, subtractions? Did I miss anything? Okay, cool. Maya, do you have anything from the design section that you'd love to share?
Yeah, the project I'm working on for the mentorship program, I'm done auditing the website, and I want to update the issue on GitHub, but I can't do that. I don't know why. I think I need Mrs. access to do that. Let me send you a link to the website.
Okay, Fran, you're here.
Okay, hold on a second. I'm looking for it.
All right. In the meantime, Fran, I know you're coming from vacation. Any updates? How was vacation?
Yeah, the mountain was really beautiful, and that's my update. Now, not much to share. Like, nothing happens in summer, right? So it's always the same. Like, summer is like an empty time for updates, I would say. But yeah, what I've seen when I came back is that most of the work that was pending for, I mean, actually all the work that was pending for spec version 3 is completed.
Okay.
In the spec, right? In the spec level. So now we're working on adding support for version 3 on the tools. And that seems to be like going well. I still have to still have to track it down to specific details, but yeah, like yeah, it looks like we're gonna have version 3 support pretty soon, and there's version 3 support on Studio already enabled on Studio. Like it's beta support. This is version 3 with beta support, and you have to enable it on the configuration of Studio. And yeah, it's going to be there for a while until we properly release it, and then it will be removed and it will work as usual. But yeah, so it's still a long work to do, but especially in the tools. But yeah, it's going well. It's going well. Yeah.
All right, that's cool. And if you're interested in spec meetings or in spec updates, make sure to join the spec meeting tomorrow at 4 p.m. UTC.
Is it tomorrow? Oh, damn it.
Yes, it's tomorrow.
Damn it.
Tomorrow.
Oh yeah, true. Oh, I hope I don't have to host this meeting because I have no idea. But yeah, okay. So let me share as well something.
Okay.
So if someone is looking to contribute to that version 3 effort, I'm gonna share a link soon. So by looking at this link, I'm gonna share here on Zoom, and if you want, I can share it on YouTube as well. But yeah. So yeah, there you can see in that, I'm gonna share my screen. I think it's gonna be here, and I'll explain it over the screen. So there you can see the progress that we're making on completing, let's say, version 3 support, not just spec, but the tools as well. So for instance, enable v3 validation support here. It's still pending, so we still have some tasks that are not full. They're not, I mean, just to put some context, if it's done, it's on the right side of the graph, right? If it's not even started, then it's on the left side. So if you're looking for issues to contribute, just come here to this dashboard, and if you see something on the left here, like this one, you can click on it. This will take you to, it will take you to a GitHub issue, but it's not working. Well, I'll look at it. So this one is CLI add 3. Oh yeah, you need to go to because this one is not an issue itself. So you can come here to this issue. Yeah, it's not an issue itself. It's just an item. And say like, I want to work on this. Who can guide me with this? And yeah, someone will help you if you need help, of course. If not, you can just jump straight to the implementation of it. But yeah, I always encourage people to say like, hey, I want to work on this, at least this, so that everyone knows that you're working on it, right? Just so other people don't start working on the same things at the same time, right? Which happened already in the past, and it sucks because then, yeah, we then need to choose one of them, and that's not good. And yeah, same here. Converter cannot handle reusability. You click here, it takes you to an issue, and here you leave a comment saying, I want to work on this, and so on. It's not forbidden that you go to the next cycle here. You can still do it. And look at this. For instance, the next cycle is everything is pending. Everything is on the left side. So you can just grab one of them and implement it if you want, and pick it up, and we will be happy to help. I know it's not easy. You need a lot of context, but yeah, nothing that a bunch of calls and conversations cannot fix. So yeah, happy to help with this. You're muted, Julie.
I'm muted. All right. Awesome. If you're looking to contribute, please make sure that you jump in on ShareUp. And if you lack some context, Fran is here to help. Okay, cool. I think that is all that we had today. Any last remarks before we close? I don't think I forgot anything, did I? No, I think I covered most majority of the important stuff. So, Maya, do you have anything to say before we
Yeah,
close?
I have a question.
You have a question, yes?
Yes, I do. I wrote a blog on how to contribute as a UX researcher and designer, and I was hoping if I could like submit that to the Async API blog, or do I have to like modify anything?
Okay, I will do that. I will get back to you because we have 2 channels. You can publish it on oh, I forgot. You can republish it on the website, or we can use newsroom. Yes, newsroom. You can repost it on newsroom or republish it on the website. But whatever you prefer, just let me know, then we can do that.
All right, thank you. I have another question.
Another question? Okay.
Yeah, maybe we can do that later. Is on the research plan I'm working on for the usability study on our tools. I have some few
Okay.
questions on it. I don't know if it's possible to have a call with Missy and probably you, Fran, and Lucas, just to get an idea of the main goals we need for the research. Why are you smiling?
Oh, me. Me?
All
Me?
right.
Are you talking about
I
me?
I was smiling because I was saying in the chat like I gotta drop.
Yes.
And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna stay a few more minutes. But I honestly have no idea. My brain is still like trying to cope up with everything. So let's have a chat after that call if you want. And I'll be happy to guide as much as possible. But yeah, like I still have to return to the previous friend before holidays. So yeah.
All right, no problem. I'll reach out to you. Thank you.
Gotta drop now. Bye bye.
Cool.
Cheers.
All right, bye, Fran.
Bye.
All right, everybody. Thank you so much for joining the community call. It's 10:30 a.m. Let me go and get my tea so that I can start working. It's still early in the morning for me. Without further ado, have a good day, have a good evening, depending on what time you're watching the live stream. And if you have any questions, I'm available on Slack. Make sure to DM me. On that note, we'll see you in 2 weeks' time, and I hope the team will be back on vacation. Maybe I'll also take a break. I need a vacation, maybe. But anyways, see you in 2 weeks' time. Bye-bye.
Bye.